what's happening is nag-go off yung power relay. Red kasi nag-speed out ito ng more than 14 or almost 17 or something volts kasi nga puno na yung battery. Yun namatay. That's it. So then this will stop charging. That's it. So yeah, that's what happens. So yun yung dangerous part. Nag-speed out to ng napakataas na voltage, more than yung supposedly 14.6 maximum niya. But as you can see, 14.4 lang yung setting. Yan. So yan yung different settings ko. Then pag puno na yung battery, it stops charging. Kung ano yung voltage galing sa panels ko, yun ay tatapon niya dito sa the whole system. So rito, even dito sa load, inverters. That's why ang inverter namamatay, kaya namamatay itong relay ko. And pag na-off yan, good thing naka-set up yan as, you know, pseudo ATS. So connected yan sa DO namin sa hotel ko. So meron pa rin power yung AC outlets ko and lights, but you know that's happening. So if that happens a lot, especially pag puno yung battery, masisira to. So finally, buti na capture ko na rin. So I think we need to change our PWM SCC or add more load. So currently my load yan na, well, that's not accurate. At the very least I want a DM 30 watts load. So after a few minutes, nabawasan na yung battery, to charge ulit ito. So we're just waiting for that to happen. So pasensya na sa kalat-kalat, but that's it. I'm really happy kay Sir Buddy Froy for giving me the idea nitong ATS, and for Sir J ng Yacht Roshan. So sila yung pinapanood ko on top of all the others like Sir J F. Legaspi sa YouTube to learn. So sila rin yung motivation and, you know, inspiration ko to, you know, look up for more upgrades. So we're just waiting for this to kick in. Ayan na, yung charging. We didn't even notice. Yeah. So punuin niya naman ulit ito the next 5-6 minutes, and then ka-cut off na SCC. Cut off niya kung ano yung voltage ng panel, which is 18. By the way, ang panels ko is tatlong 100 watts na naka-parallel. So kung ano yung voltage nun, which is about 18 volts, yun ang itatapon dito sa the whole system, which very dangerous. Alright, thank you very much.